Spring has truly sprung, and with many tri-staters, this is the season to begin to declutter. So our professional organizer, just back from a mission trip, is here, rested up a little bit anyway.
A little bit.
Here with some helpful suggestions. It is that time of year, you kind of the spring clean. That's sort of a tradition.
Yes, it's the beginning of spring, so the weather starts to turn nice. Everybody starts to feel happier, more cheerful, right?
Getting more daylight, more
winter blahs.
Yeah.
Exactly. More sunlight. You start to look out the window and realize things are dirty. It's
like
time
the windows.
Time to kind of clean up and get things decluttered and organized.
Well, the thing about all of these projects, as you well know, since this is your gig, is it's kind of overwhelming. Where do I begin? Because it's kind of silly to dust up here or clean the floors and then you're going to dust the bookcase.
Right. That's the money question right there. Where do I begin? Yeah, we are not experts in house cleaning, but in the decluttering and organizing. So what I would say is start with what bothers you the most. If you wake up in the morning and you look around the master bedroom and that gives you stress, first thing in the morning, start there. If you have a storage closet that just drives you absolutely crazy, start there. Whatever it is that bothers you the most.
What equipment do you need to have on hand? If you've got to plan this and be strategic about it and really do a deep spring cleaning, what do we need to help us? What kind of items?
Definitely trash bags.
Definitely trash bags.
Good
sturdy ones, too.
Exactly, sturdy ones. Sturdy ones for the trash, but also you can take donations. Cardboard boxes on hand are always helpful for things that you're going to take to consignment, or if you're planning a garage sale, that you can put things in, label them, and stack them up and get them ready for wherever you're taking them or what you're doing with it. So trash bags, a marker, get some good Sharpies out and ready to go so you can label what you're doing. And then from there, really, you don't need a lot of supplies. Just dig in, start really evaluating what stuff do I want to keep and what don't I.
Well, let's go to the closet, shall we? Let's go to the closet, because I know that's a big deal. If you've got clothes in your closet that you haven't worn since how long, Amy?
Typically, I would say in a year if you have not worn it throughout all of the seasons. However, we're wrapping up winter, so this is a great time for you to evaluate your winter clothes.
Like, did I wear this sweater?
Exactly. Did I wear this sweater? If you did not wear it this year, figure out why. Is it because you didn't fit into it? Is it because it has a rip in it? Is it because it's not flattering? Why did you not wear it? You just couldn't find the right occasion. You typically wear 20% of your clothes 80% of the time.
Ooh, say that again.
20% of your clothes you wear 80% of the time. So you could probably declutter 80% of your closet, and you wouldn't even hardly notice. We tend to go to the same clothes over and over, the ones that we like.
Oh, that we think we look better in.
Exactly. The color is your favorite color. Well, I like purple. Your favorite color, things that you feel like look good on you or fit you well, or things that you get compliments in. Those are things we tend to go and grab out of our closet.
Why is chaos in our homes? Why does that cost us so much emotionally?
Oh, it costs a lot.
It does.
There are a lot of people who would rather escape their home because it's so stressful to be there. There's so much stuff, so much clutter, so much chaos that they escape. They leave. They go out and go shopping or do other things like that instead of staying at home and making it a restful place. Our homes should really be a haven. They should be a place where we can go and relax. We can enjoy our lives, where the things are purposeful that are in our home. They're there for our enjoyment or for our relaxation instead of causing stress. And if you look around and everywhere you look has piles of junk, that's not stressful.
And that's not good for you. And it's another way to start spring.
No.
So, okay, take courage, be inspired from Amy Payne, and let's get spring cleaning.
Get out there and declutter those closets.
I'm inspired.
Okay,
Thank you.
good.
We'll be back with more right after this.